If you live in South Carolina and are 18 or older, it just got easier for you to carry a loaded handgun in public. On Thursday, Governor Henry McMaster signed the permitless carry bill into law. WSCV's Joseph Leonard spoke with police and a firearm instructor. Joseph is joining us from our Low Country newsroom with their reaction to this new controversial law.
The next time you're in public in South Carolina, don't be surprised if the person next to you is carrying a loaded handgun. That's thanks to a new bill signed into law yesterday.
An 18-year-old carrying a firearm is concerning.
If you're 18 or older, not a felon, and can pass background checks, you now have the right to carry a handgun in public in South Carolina. That after Governor Henry McMaster passed the permitless law.
You've got a badge displayed and you've got a firearm. Again, it goes back to that confidence that at least that person is trained. But if you've got just Joe Citizen, in there, with a gun strapped on, right now, what's the proficiency test?
I've seen kids, even 16, 17, they're out shooting and they have better firearms competence than full-grown adults. So it's not really about age for us, it's about how much time you actually spend training and how serious you take it.
But some gun store owners aren't as concerned. AJ Rossi is a firearm instructor and co-owner of Warrior Guns and Range in Hardeeville. He says most people still want to be trained before they carry.
So last year we have another training facility in Jacksonville and we've had constitutional carry over there. And we've seen maybe a little bit of a dip in people actually signing up for classes, but the people still want to get training.
Guns will still be banned in places like schools and courthouses, but some police worry their officers might not know the ins and outs of the law. Had they been given more time, they could train them for the many new changes.
So, a gun could be on a dashboard of a car, it could be on the front seat, it could be basically worn. Anywhere in the vehicle. It doesn't give us the ability to check the firearm to see if the firearm, is legal in the sense that it's not a fully automatic or, it's a semi-automatic or, whatever the firearm. And also it doesn't give us the opportunity to check and see if it's stolen.
Constitutional carry only applies to South Carolinians. If you want to carry across state lines, you'll need to get a concealed weapons permit. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3, on your side.